Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get started by these things. I don't know. They are some type of something. I was thinking maybe one of those hydraulic rams for like doors, to kind of keep doors from sliding open so much. And keep them in that container. They're nice and neat that way. Well, first stop, we're gonna try to get the trailer filled today, have a little bit of fun doing it, and kind of see what's all out here. Goal is simple: fill the trailer, have a little bit of fun. Let's do it. Starting pretty early with some decent real estate items, but we got room. Don't know what the day holds, but we do know we got these. They already took the glass out for us. So nice. Alright. I think we got something here that kind of helps control the flow of babies or dogs or something. Can't remember what somebody told me they were for. They're for the scrapyard today, though. Oh, and a little bit of aluminium. Got a vacuum. We like seeing these things. Spider. Another spider. Alrighty then. I'm gonna go give this Jeep a once over. We got little pieces of metal. Make sure the battery is not in here. If I can figure out where it is, it's probably gonna be in the hood, right? All right. And now they're still in here. So someone asked me, why don't I take the cords out? Because if someone actually wants to, say, get this up and running, if I cut the cords, I pretty much make sure that it doesn't. So I'm not gonna destroy it per se. It gives them opportunity to kind of and then I make sure this doesn't end up in the scrapyard. So stainless. Yeah. It wanted to try to stick, but I don't think their magnet's gonna pick it up, so. But I mean, these are like 10 cents a pound, so batteries are cheap right now. We got us a pile. We do got a bed rail over there, so we do have that already. Not sure what else we'll have. Maybe just a lot of packing material. Yeah, probably. All that's packing. Plastic. Wow. Okay. Well, like I said, we got the bed rails. So we'll just grab these. All right now. Yeah. Try this one more time. Be nice to get us a larger item. start piling this stuff in behind it, but you know. And those are lighter than the other things. Be alright with that for now. We'll take it. Exercise equipment, check. Folding chairs next, alright? Got us a lean-to grill and a wagon, y'all. What else we got sitting in this box? It's not a lot. Nothing. It's got a little bit. That one's unopened. Thing to keep your vehicle safe. Has anyone ever used one of those? I never used one. Take the wagon, we'll take the unopened. Okay, let's put everything together. Unopened. Easy house wash, pressure washer contrary, same concept there. I guess we'll take these. They're about quarter-ish full. They smell like straight bleach is the only thing I know though. Like, sure, we'll go with them. You got a lamp, some lampage. It's coming a million pieces. Well, hello. How are you? Come on. Check. Okay. Perfect. All right, well, added that to our little stash of stuff this morning. Got a little huffy. Take a look at these other boxes, kind of see what we can expect or not expect. That's grass. I think. Oh, that was metal for a second. It's got a little bite. Seems to be. That's it. Could I use that for something? No. I do need we got to use for the bucket though. It already has a hole in the bottom. It's already been modified. It's already been modified to kind of what we need it for. Water gets in it, no problem. I guess it's another bed frame type ordeal. Platform bed maybe. Ooh, it's got some okay weight to it. We'll get all this stuff reorganized really soon, actually, because well, we can. Just trying to get a good start on today before it gets, for the others get out. All right. Oh, this chair's definitely seen better days. It's really light. It's more likely gonna be the aluminum style stuff. Give it a test. I can already tell you it is. It's just way too light. Come on. Weight does tell a lot about what it is. That being a steel chair would have been a nice weight to it. We did kind of get most of this kind of pulled up tight because we got this kind of pile. So you got what, 2 bikes that's able to seen better days, and I'll probably undo the strap because I'd done this a minute ago just to kind of get everything somewhat better than what we had it. So that thing is falling apart. So what do we got? 2 bikes, the razor thingy, a busted table, and maybe something down in there. Oh, and it's getting daylight, for what it's worth. I'll stand them up. We'll get a strap across them. Get it on the trailer first in case they come out and say something. It's plastic. Get everything together over here. There's glass everywhere. It's staying. All right, I'm gonna make this a little bit neater, and we got our infamous folding chairs. I did kind of get everything somewhat stacked. We're using this as the point, and like it's pretty skookum. I still got some room. I can slide some like poles and whatnot through here, so we'll continue building it. All right, well, we have this thing. It's aluminum. I don't think this is going to be aluminum. The actual door itself. Looks like we can take the glass out too, so that'll be awesome for us. It's empty. Looks like someone already started to take the glass out. It's tight. I guess it needs to be tight, really. You just lift out now. Is that how you work? Oh yeah, that's how you work. Awesome. It's actually a heavy door. That's gonna be aluminum. I can take it off. All right. Yeah, no, that's got some good weight to it. It's actually pretty cool. Magnet. Yeah, easy. Okay. Just get it on here. About took me backwards. Spiders. Think about maybe something like that. Get it put down in there. Use it as barrier on this side. Yeah, that's what we'll do. I'm gonna undo the strap, pull it through. Simple, nothing really to it. Let's continue looking. I guess I could have done that with y'all. Plastic blinds. See nothing else really in there. That's paint cans. Nope. All right, well, we do got that's plastic too. All right. Nice stuff. We got pieces of grills here. Somebody did some work on them, didn't they? Put one against there. Maybe stack the other on top. Nope. Heard a car. Yeah, no, that's pretty taut in there. All right, well, let's get our grills. Like I said, we'll put one here. Put the biggest one. That one's gonna be, they're probably not, either one of them's probably not gonna be too heavy. Yeah, no, they're not bad. But as I always say, we got room right now. Put the other one on top. Call it a day. Gonna re-pull the strap again. Just keep re-pulling the strap, I guess. Guess I can get another one, but chair. It's going. We'll take our chair. There's a few little nuggets in there, but make a big mess to get them. I guess I didn't get the grill. We'll manage that. So like I said, the grill decided that it did not want to be where it was. Be all right. But we do got a chair. It's aluminum. Really, all thing I gotta do is finish taking off those straps, and this will be clean. And they're not that hard. Just cut them right here, and then they just pop right off. So, may get that done. Get that aluminum taken in today too. Why not? Let's get it all cashed in. All right, well. Pretty sure I can get it in the box. Seen better days. Go right here with it for now. Probably gonna wind up putting it right there. Actually, let's go ahead and try to get it up here. See kind of where we're sitting at. Come out like that a little bit. Wheel barrel goes like so. And we'll get a strap across. Should be able to run one like right through there. It's one of those things. All right, get a strap on it. We'll continue. Yellow strap somehow got messed up. I don't know how that happened, but we're having to pull the red one. It'll be all right. We'll go with it for now. It's actually not a lot on here. It just seems like a lot because I'm trying to go vertical. So it's probably 500-ish pounds, give or take. Got us 2 more lamps. Just seeing a fellow scrapper. He's doing his thing, and we're gonna try to stay ahead. He has an okay load too, so. Everything's still riding somewhat tight. It did shift a little, but to be expected, really. All right. Try not to get hit by a car. Seems like a great plan. So we got, I don't even know what we got. Oh yeah, okay. One of those paper thin shelving. It's only 2 pieces here though. Well, we definitely have competition out here right now. I've seen, I think, 3 different scrappers today. But that's not going to stop us from doing what we got to do, which is finish off the route. We got probably 2 more roads and we'll be done with today. So not too much more to go, and we'll be able to call it a day today. Their loads not look like our loads. When we get an early start. Anything in here? No. Just a few things here to grab. Don't know if those are brass yet, but somebody's already done the blade. I meant the things for us. Don't break them. You want to get the blades popped off. Banking on that's brass, maybe? It looks brass, actually. The look is there. Got to clean that up just a hair before we take it. You got bulbs in them too. Line them up a little better. Maybe brass. Oh, wire bucket, sure. We are good with brass. Nice find. As long as the finds keep rolling, we'll keep going, so. Missed it. Yeast, please. What's that? That's a spoon. I want a spoon. I'm not cutting those yet. I don't know what they do. Yep. Call that good enough. Intriguing. Stainless, aluminum, something. Street sweeper. All right, well, keep this rodeo up. Well, that's the route for today. I went ahead and took off the red strap and kind of moved all that stuff down. There's no point in keeping it on there. So we didn't quite, I mean, how many pounds should I guess? We'll guess 700. Just throw out a number. There was a few other scrappers out on the road today, so they did get some of theirs. I think we got a pretty good load though. So we're on the way to the scrapyard. We're going to see what it weighs and pays. I'm going to drop off the aluminum as well that we already have, and I may do the brass real quick. Just to kind of see what everything paid today. I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling in that kind of mood to do. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I guess do it. All right. Well, kind of on our own today. Nothing we can't handle though. Let's get the gates down and we'll get it done loaded. What do they say? One thing at a time. This needs to go next. And then this. All right, I had this holding everything down, so this will go next. This bike. Or chair. And this bike. Okay. all the plastic from that table. We got another one coming in too. I guess you're next. Probably heaviest thing at a load, to be honest. Alright. Kind of concludes that, don't it? Well, as you can see, everything's pretty much going minus the wire. I'm keeping my wire. But the brass is gone, the aluminum's gone. What else do I have? The stainless is gone. The trailer is empty. We're kind of at a point to where we can go over the numbers for today. Now, the wire is worth something, and I could have went and go cashed in. I was kind of on that mood for some reason. Sometimes I just get on that mood, and I was on it today. Just sell it all. Well, we had for the aluminum sheet, so that would be like all that miscellaneous aluminum stuff, 20 cents a pound right now, $2.80. So it went down. Cast aluminum, they're paying 15 cents a pound for 30 cents. Scrap, we had, well, it was unclean, so it'd probably be what, 30 cents. It wasn't unclean though, but more than 840 pounds, 6 cents a pound, so $50.40. Stainless, we had 2 pounds of it for 25 cents a pound, went down 5 cents, 50 cents. And then the yellow brass, that lamp was 3 pounds, $1.25 for yellow brass. Don't know if that's cheap or not. $3.75 for a grand total of $57.75. Not too bad. We had fun. I had fun anyway, and went ahead and did the whole piling, stacking, strapping doohickey, and we still managed to somewhat fill the trailer. 1,000 pounds was kind of where I was hoping to be at today, but we'll take 840 for sure. I do hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of fun trying to consolidate as I go. Still think it's unnecessary. The reason I think it's unnecessary is because I didn't have a problem to get it on to off to however you want to word it. I mean, I normally get everything. Today was no exception. So that being said, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider liking the video, sharing it with a friend, subscribing if you have not, and on top of that, have a beautiful, wonderful day. I mean, it's so nice. We got a beautiful day. But I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you tomorrow, maybe the next day. Who knows what Lord has in store. I got to go on a trip down to South Alabama sometime this week, possibly next week. So that's going to put me down for a day or so. But yeah, we'll get there when that comes. So goodbye. See you later. Bon voyage. Was the other one a Arrivederci? I don't know them all. Y'all get it. Goodbye.